Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Last time we were discussing about equivalent fraction. Dear students, today we are going to learn about comparison and order of the fraction. Now I am going to share page number 15 with you. Page 15. First we discuss about equivalent fractions, and after that we will discuss how we compare two fractions and how we write the fraction in order. Here page 15, question 2 is, look at these fraction tables, then complete the equivalent fraction. Before I explain question 2, I just want to tell you how we add two or more than two fractions. For this purpose, I am going to share another page with you. Here we have the same tables that we have in page 15. Dear students, look at the first table. In first table, we have three portions. I am going to highlight these portions with different colors. This is first portion and this is whole portion, and it can be written as 1. And the second portion is divided into three parts. Each part is called 1/3, 1/3, 1/3. It means when we add these three parts, we get again 1. This is third portion. I'm going to highlight this one with red color. This is third portion. First, second, and third. All these portions are equal, but with different part. In first one, we have only one part, this is whole part. In second one, we have three parts, and in third portion, we have 6 parts. Each part is called 1/6 or 6. If we want to add two portion, means 1/3, 1/3. So how we add? Just whenever we find same denominator, then we will add numerators. Here numerators are 1 and 1. 1 plus 1, 2/3. 1/3 plus 1/3, 2/3. No need to add 3 plus 3, 6. Here denominator will remain same. Similarly, if we want to add 1/3, 1/3, and 1/3, so add numerators. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. 3/3, again 1. It means when we add all these three, we get 1. And 1 equal to 3/3. If we want to add 1/6 plus 1/6, that is equal to 2/6. 1/6 plus 1/6 plus 1/6, that is equal to 3/6. Similarly, when we add 1/6 4 times, just count numerators. 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4/6. In this way, when we add this portion, definitely we again get 1. 1 over 6 plus 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 1 over 6, that is equal to 6 over 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over 6, and that is equal to 1. It means this portion is equal to this portion. All these three portions are equal. Similarly, in second table, 1 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5, that is equal to 2 over 5. Here 1 over 5 is adding 3 times, right? 3 over 5. 1 over 5 is adding 4 times, right? 4 over 5. Here 1 over 5 is adding 5 times, right? 5 over 5, that is equal to 1. It means when we add all these fractions, we get again 1, that is equal to this portion. Similarly, you can add 1 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10 in this portion. 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10, that is equal to 2 over 10. And 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10, if we add 1 over 10 3 times, we get 3 over 10. If we add 1 over 10 4 times, we get 4 over 10. Similarly, 5 over 10, up to so on. Now I am going to explain page 15 with the help of these tables. Complete the given equivalent fraction. These are equivalent fraction with the help of these tables. First one is part A. 1 over 3 is equal to 2 over 6. Look at the table. This portion is 1 over 3. And if we want to compare this one with 1 over 6 portion, so this portion is equal to this portion. So here we have 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. I already told you that the answer of 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6, that is 2 over 6. In this way, we can find the missing numbers. Here missing number, the red numbers are, these were missing. So I am going to solve page part B. In part B, we have 1 over 5. Look at second table. This portion is 1 over 5. And if we want to compare fifths with tenths, so these two parts, 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10, that is equal to 1 over 5. Therefore, 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10, 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10, that is equal to 2 over 10. 1 over 5, this 1 over 5 is equal to 1 over 10 plus 1 over 10. This portion consists of two parts, 1 over 10, 1 over 10. When we add them, we get 2 over 10. Similarly, part C, we have 4 over 6. First, we mark the area that is covered by 4 over 6. 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. This area is covered by 4 over 6. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1. This is 4 over 6. And if we compare this with this portion, definitely this portion is equal to this. And here we have two parts of thirds, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. That is equal to 2 over 3. Therefore, here we write 2. The next one is here. This number is missing. First, in part E, first we go to the first fraction. Here the first fraction is 2 over 3. So first we go to the table and we will see which portion is covered by 2 over 3. This is 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, that is 2 over 3. This portion is called 2 over 3. And now compare this with this portion. This portion is equal to 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6. We know that this portion equal to this portion. Here we have 2 parts, here we have 4 parts. So we add them 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6 plus 1 over 6, that is equal to 4 over 6. Therefore here we write 4, 2 over 3, 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3, that is 2 over 3. 2 over 3 equal to 4 over 6. Here we write 4 over 6. Next one is part D, 3 over 5. So first we go to the table, first table. So these 3 portions are covered by, sorry, not this one. These 3 portion, these 3 parts are covered by 3 over 5. So this portion, we know that this portion is equal to this portion. So how many tenths here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's why we write here 6 over 10. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over, that is equal to 3 over 5. That is equal to 3 over 5. Equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 over 10. Similarly here, 6 over 6. So it means 6 over 6, this area is covered by 6 over 6. And we know that this area is equal to this area. Now add these 3 fractions, these 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3 plus 1 over 3. That is equal to 3 over 3. Next one is 2 over 5. 2 over 5. First we mention 2 over 5. Where is 2 over 5? 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5. This is 2 over 5. So we know that this portion is equal to this portion. Here how many tenths? 1, 2, 3, 4. So therefore we write 4 over 10. Here 8 over 10. 8 over 10. 8 over 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This portion or this area, these parts are covered by 8 over 10. And by a diagram, we can say that this portion is equal to this portion. So therefore, here we have 4 parts, add all of them. 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5 plus 1 over 5. 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 4 over 5. So these are called equivalent fraction. 1 over 3 equal to 2 over 6. Equivalent fraction. These are equivalent fraction. These are equivalent fraction. These are equivalent fraction. These are equivalent fraction. All are equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. 6 over 6 equal to 3 over 3. These are equivalent fraction. Now I'm going to start page 16. In page 16, the topic is comparing and ordering of fractions. Means how we compare two or more than two fractions and how we write the fraction in order, in counting order, in backward counting order. Let us start from like fraction. First, we must know about what are like fractions and unlike fractions. Fraction with same denominator are called like fraction. For example, 3 over 8, 5 over 8, 2 over 8, 1 over 8. In this set of fraction, here denominator is common, 8, 8, 8, 8. But numerators are different. So these are called like fractions. On the other hand, unlike fraction, fractions with the different denominator are called unlike fractions. For example, 1 over 3, 1 over 4, 1 over 7, 1 over 8. Here we have different denominator, 3, 4, 7, 8. All are different. Here we have same denominator. So these are called like fractions and these are called unlike fractions. Dear students, let us start question 1. Now complete these. Mean put the symbol less than or greater than. This symbol is less than and this symbol is called greater than. So here in this set of fractions, we have two fractions, 1 over 3, 2 over 3. These are like fraction. Whenever we want to compare these two fractions, first of all, we will check denominators. When denominators are same, it means they are like fraction. After that, we will go to numerators. Here numerator is 1, here numerator is 2. In like fraction, the greater the numerator, the greater the value of the fraction. Mean this fraction has greater numerator, it means the value of this one is greater. Therefore, this fraction is less and this is greater. 1 over 3 is greater than 2 over 3. Here compare 7 over 9, 8 over 9. 7 with 8. Of course, 8 is greater, therefore this one is greater. So, write 7 over 9 is less than 8 over 9. Here 9 over 10, compare with 8 over 10. Now compare numerators. Here 9 is greater, therefore 9 over 10 is greater than 8 over 10. Here 4 over 9, 4 is greater than, this 4 is greater than 3, therefore 4 over 9 is greater than 9. Here 4, compare 4 and 1. 4 is greater, therefore 4 over 5 is greater than 1 over 5. Here 3, compare 3 and 1. 3 over 4 is greater than 1 over 4. Here compare 3 with 5. 5 is greater, therefore 5 over 7 is greater and 3 over 5 is less. 3 is less than 5, therefore 3 over 7 is less than 5. 4 and 6. 4 is less, 6 is greater, therefore 4 over 8 is less than 6 over 8. Again, I'm going to tell you this symbol is less and this symbol is greater. In question 2, the statement is write in ascending order. Write in ascending order. Ascending order means write the given fraction in counting order. Means write the fraction starting from smaller to greater. Here the first set of fraction is 3 over 8, 5 over 8, 2 over 8, 1 over 8. These are all are like fraction. Therefore, we will write according to numerator. The smaller one is 1, then 2, then 3, then 5. Simply remember that write in counting order, like 1, 2, then 3, then 5. So write ascending order, write 1 over 8 first, then 2 over 8, then 3 over 8, and then 5 over 8. Similarly, next part we have 2 over 6, 4 over 6, 3 over 6, and 1 over 6. So starting with 1 over 6, then 2 over 6, then 3 over 6, and then 4 over 6. In next fraction set of fraction is 2 over 9, 5 over 9, 8 over 9, 1 over 9. So starting from 1, then 2, then 5, and then 8. 1 over 9, 2 over 9, 5 over 9, and 8 over 9. Similarly, part EF. In part E, we have 4 over 10, 9 over 10, 3 over 10, 7 over 10. So starting from 3, then 4, then 7, then 9. Part F, 4 over 5, 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5. Starting from 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. 1 over 5, 2 over 5, 3 over 5, 4 over 5. Now, look at next one. In this way, you can write part G as well. Now I am going to explain page 17 and 18. In page 17 and 18, here one box is given and one box having smaller boxes. So we have to color which one is correct. Here we have how many boxes? 12 boxes. So look at the pair of fraction, study them, and then color those boxes which are correct. In first box, we have 1 over 10 is greater than 1 over 4. 1 over 10 means one part out of 10, and 1 over 4 means one part out of 4. So 1 over 10 smaller and 1 over 4 is greater. Therefore, here written 1 over 10 is greater. Therefore, this statement is false. So we cannot color this. Look at the second box. In second box, 1 over 7, 6 over 7. And these are like fraction. 6 over 7 is greater. 1 over 7 and 6 over 7. 6 over 7 is greater and 1 over 7 is less. So here 1 over 7 is less than 6 over 7. So this statement is correct. Therefore, we color this box. 2 over 6 is less than 3 over 6. This is also correct. 2 over 6 is smaller, 3 over 6 is greater. So we also color this. 1 over 9 is greater than 3 over 9. It's not correct. 3 over 9 is greater. 1 over 9 is not greater. Here, 8 over 10 is greater than 7 over 10. So it is correct. 8 over 10 is greater than 7 over 10. So we color it. Similarly here 4 over 9 is less than 2 over 9, not correct. 1 over 9 is equal to 9 over 10, not correct. These two fractions are not equal. 3 over 10 is greater than 2 over 10. Yes, it's correct because 3 over 10 is greater than 2 over 10. 1 over 8 is greater than 3 over 8, not correct. 7 over 8 is less than 6 over 8, not correct. 4 over 10 is greater than 6 over 10, not correct. 1 over 4 is greater than 2 over 4, not correct. Question 4. Complete these by writing greater than, this symbol is greater than or less than. The first fraction is 1 over 5 and 1 over 10. Mean if we want to compare these two fractions, so how we compare and how we will know that which one is greater and which one is smaller? These are not like fraction, these are unlike fraction. So before putting here less than or greater than, I am going to explain unlike fraction with the help of diagram. Dear students, look at these three diagrams. I am considering this is a rectangle, this is another rectangle of same size, and this is another rectangle of same size. If I am dividing this rectangle into 6 equal parts, so each part is called 1 over 6. This colored portion is 1 over 6. And if I am going to divide again same rectangle into 4 equal parts, each part is called 1 over 4. And now I am going to again divide the same rectangle into 2 equal parts. So each part is called 1 over 2. Now look at these three colored portion. 1 over 6 is smaller than 1 over 4. 1 over 4, this portion, this colored portion is smaller than 1 over 2. It means 1 over 2 is greater than 1 over 4 and 1 over 4 is greater than 1 over 6. Don't think that this is 6, it means it is greater. This 1 over 6 mean this is sixth part. Mean when we divide any object or any collection into further parts, definitely it will become smaller. So 1 over 7 is smaller than 1 over 6. 1 over 6 is smaller than 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is smaller than 1 over 2. So in this way, we are going to compare two fractions in above question. Look at first box. In first box, 1 over 5, 1 over 10. 1 over 5 is greater. Therefore, we will write 1 over 5 is greater than 1 over 10. In second box, 1 over 4 is less than 1 over 3. 1 over 4 mean one part out of 4 and 1 over 3 mean one part out of 3. It means the area covered by 1 over 3 is greater than 1 over 4, as I told you before. Here 2 over 6 and 2 over 3. 2 over 6 is smaller than 2 over 3. Here 1 over 9 is greater than 1 over 10. Here 3 over 7 is smaller than 3 over 4. Here 5 over 6 is greater than 5 over 8. Don't think that this 8 is greater, therefore it is greater. It is wrong. 5 over 8, the area covered by 5 parts. 5 over 8 means 5 parts out of 8. Here 5 parts out of 6. It means this portion is greater than 5 over 8. 2 over 8, this, look at this portion. 2 over 8 is greater than 2 over 9. Similarly here 2 over 7 is smaller than or is less than 2 over 6, and 1 over 10 is less than 1 over 8. So here in these diagram you can understand the concept of unlike fraction better. Question 5, write these in ascending order. Ascending order, you know, in counting order, or writing the fraction from smaller to greater. The first one is 1 over 6, 1 over 2, and 1 over 4. So in ascending order, so the smaller one is 1 over 6. Then greater than 1 over 6 is 1 over 4. And then 1 over 2. Look at this diagram. These three rectangles having same size, but when we divide the same rectangle into 6 equal parts, each portion 1 over 6, this is 1, this portion is covered by 1 over 6. This portion represents 1 over 4, and this portion represents 1 over 2. So this is smaller, this is smaller, and 1 over 6 is greater than 1 over 4 is greater than 1 over 6, and 1 over 2 is greater than 1 over 4. Therefore, first we write 1 over 6, 1 over 6, then 1 over 4, then 1 over 2. In part B, part B is 2 over 3, 2 over 10, 2 over 5. You can draw the diagram of this fraction by yourself, and I am going to just explain you how we write these in ascending order. First we write 2 over 10, then 2 over 5, then 2 over 3. In other words, you can say the denominators should be in backward counting. 10, then 5, then 3. Similarly here, 2 over 5, 2 over 6, 2 over 7. So first we write 2 over 7, 2 over 6, 2 over 5. Here 1 over 10, 1 over 3, 1 over 5. First we write 1 over 10, then 1 over 5, then 1 over 3. Now I am moving. Part F, you can write as it is 4 over 5, 4 over 9, 4 over 6. Write 4 over 9 first, then 4 over 6, and then 4 over 5. Thank you, students. Inshallah, in next video, we will discuss how we write the fraction in descending order. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.